Welcome to Simulation EHR. When you first log in, this is what your login screen would look like. So first off, I see the status, not currently logged in. There's two sections here. We have a student side and a faculty side for logging in. The introductory video is what you're watching right now, and then there are some common questions. Let's look at these questions. How do I register for the application? All right, what do we need? You need your LSCS student or employee ID. You need a valid email address. The email address can be your school address or it can be an external email address. It doesn't matter. And you need a registration code from either your instructor or if you are a faculty member, then your campus contact. Okay, what's my registration code? Well, your instructor is going to give it to you for students. There's generally two codes. There can be a clinical code and a lab code, depending upon if you have different instructors for each one. So they might be different, but they might also be exactly the same. All right. Do I have to use my school email? We talked about that already. No. You can use any email that you like. What if you forgot your password? Oh no, I can't remember what I made. No problem. There is a link for that. And whatever email address that you registered for, it's going to send you your password there. So even if you forgot it, you can find it again. And if you made mistakes on your registration, what do you do? Well, I'll show you that in a moment. So let's look at the registration. What do you need? Well, you need your first name. Can be 25 characters maximum. No numbers, no special characters. 25 characters are legal. Your last name, your 7-digit LSCS student ID, any email that you like. Just confirm it to make sure that they match and you didn't make a mistake typing. Password, 15 characters. You can pick anything that you like, something easy to remember. You need to select what campus you are on. Cy-Fair, Kingwood, Montgomery, just pick whichever campus you are on. And then here's where you're going to enter the code that your instructor gave you. So for example, if we were on the Kingwood campus and the instructor gave you the code KC35 and that was true for both, then that's what you would enter in those boxes. Typically, there's no reason you have to do anything with these sections. The default is 1. So unless you have explicit instructions, you don't need to make any changes there. Okay, that's all you need for the registration part. All right, so let's come back. What about this? Main page will take me back to the login. View patients. Well, I'm not logged in, so I can't go there. Let's try that again. Supposing we're here, update profile. I'm not logged in, so I can't do that too. All right, so let's see. Let's log in. Let's say we've registered already, and I've registered already, so I'll just type in my email and my temporary password I made. All right, so I've logged in. It puts me in the student center. I've not been assigned any patients yet, so that's why it doesn't say I have some patients. Main page would take me back to the login page. It shows me I am logged in. How do I get back to that Student Center page? Well, click on Student Center. Okay. Now, we talked about what if you made a mistake in your profile where you registered? Well, just click Update Profile, and there's my name. You can change that. There's my student ID if you made a mistake there. You want to change your email to something else. You want to change the password to something easy to remember. I'm going to make my password 1234. So I just change it to that and update my information. Simple as that. Back to the main page. What if you forgot your password? All right, then that's where it'll be emailed to you. And that's about it for this introductory video. You can fix mistakes on your registration. You can have your password sent to you. Don't have to use your school email. You can. The registration code comes from your faculty teacher. And that's about it to help you get started. And finally, log out. And notice the status changed to we're not logged in anymore.